Hi vlog! Welcome to our YouTube channel. And finally, we decided na gumawa na kami ng YouTube channel. Sabi din ng mga friends and family namin. By the way,
Ako nga pala si Ranzel, short for Rans.
and I'm Mary V, short for Avi. You don't have to put the mic like...
Hindi.
But ayaw mo lumapit sa akin, ha?
Aray. Huwag mong edit yun, Glay. Don't edit that.
So, by the way, we are Rans and Avi. We are a married couple. We just got married last January. So, most of our vlogs, makikita nyo is our daily lives lang. Nothing fake, all but genuine. And at the same time, sometimes makikita nyo na separate na ako lang yung nasa vlog. Minsan siya lang yung nasa vlog kasi may sarili-sarili din kaming buhay. Kasi LDR kami right now. So you're gonna see basically what's happening in our relationship. But hopefully, mag-progress and makita nyo na mag-move ako dito sa States. Maging successful din kami like Kong TV and V. Manifesting.
Idol ko.
Shout out. And by the way, since this is our introduction or welcome vlog, you can comments or put your suggestions sa comments below if may suggestion kayo kung ano yung pwede namin gawin sa next vlog namin para naman, ang tawag doon? Included.
And very engaged.
Yeah, engage yung aming mga viewers. Tapos, pag na-monetize na kami,
Question and answer, mga ganun.
pag na-monetize na kami,
Yun talaga yung ano namin.
kasi gusto rin namin hindi.
Travel.
Maka-travel at the same time,
Makapag-give.
we want to give back.
Yeah.
Ganun, maka-help din ng tao. Nakikita kasi namin sa Facebook, ang dami ring influencers na nakaka-help sa society and all. So, I'm gonna start with myself. I'm Mary V. Gomez, and I'm a full-time flight attendant. I started this job when I was 19, and I joined Cebu Pacific back 2016. I've been with them for 2 years, and then I moved to Qatar as an international flight attendant. I'm still with them, still enjoying, and basically, I'm gonna show you the life of a cabin crew. You're gonna see it in some of my vlogs as well, so watch out lang kayo. And of course, travel vlog din. So, as my hobby, sinasama ko na rin yung pagbebenta ko online selling since I travel the world. So, whatever is kung nasa ang lugar ako, I try to buy some stuff and sell it to Philippines kasi medyo mataas yung market price sa Pinas. So, I'm selling it for a low price. So, sideline ko siya at nagbebenta rin tayo ng gold.
Plug in.
Yeah. Ikaw naman, love.
Well, I'm a flight instructor, aspiring airline pilot. Basically, as it says, I teach student how to fly planes. Pretty much doon umiikot yung buhay ko ngayon day to day. And then, with my asawa, I go to the gym. I don't know how often na, pero I tried to. Yun nga. Well, you're gonna see naman na as we go through these vlogs, yung mga mga trip namin. Pero mas maganda kasi kung mag-comment. That help us yung para magkaroon ng community and
Kasi syempre, bago kami sa ganito, sa vlog, wala pa kami masyadong idea kung ano yung dapat i-content. So, we're still on a learning process. So, sana ma-help nyo kami kung ano
it will help us to get more content.
Yeah, para may idea kami, para hindi kami boring.
Aroy. Yeah, I think we're gonna keep it short for this vlog. Tapos, bawi kami kasi meron na talaga kaming vlog na inline. Yun nga lang, gusto namin ng introductory vlog just to be more formal kung bakit papanoorin nyo tong channel namin, ba't kayo magsusubscribe.
So basically, yung vlog namin is daily life of a married couple kapag magkasama kami, of course. Mag-vlog din kami kung yung mga travels ko, at the same time yung paano yung work niya.
Day in a life. Day in a life.
A day in the life of a flight instructor, a day in the life of a cabin crew.
Yeah,
Yung struggles namin sa long distance relationship.
Yeah. Kung ano yung mga gusto nilang
kung anong gusto yung trip. Oo. Help us. It's gonna help us a lot if
para magkaroon kami ng content.
Yeah. So, yun lang. And
actually, eventually siguro mga prank. Maganda rin yung mga prank eh.
Tapos, mag-giveaway din kami pag mga
siguro
naka-reach
milestone.
kami ng 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, 1,000, 10,000,
Yeah.
100,000. So, we'll see.
I think that's it.
Yeah, like, comment, subscribe.
Oh, so we have a Facebook account and Instagram account.
Oh,
So, Facebook account, I think we'll put the link na lang on the
In this link description.
in the description. Yun pala yung tawag doon. And Instagram account is the same. It's Rans and Abby. Pati yung mga personal accounts namin sa Instagram, we're just gonna include that. I hope this first vlog,
Sana maging consistent
sana
kami.
maging consistent kami.
Sana may kasunod pa to. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye!